Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and just wanted to make a quick video from a question that I got. Very good question. How do you know what size pulley you have if it's not written on there? And there's several ways to do this. One of the easiest ways would be if you happen to have one of these digital calipers. And just remember you're measuring the flat surface here, so when you have a pulley like this that has a lip on it, do not measure this part, you need to measure the inner side. So most simply put, here's what you could do if you have a digital caliper. You just slide it right on there, going right down the center of it. And as you can see, this is a 100 millimeter pulley. Simple enough. Well, if you don't have a digital caliper, or if you have one like this that has a lip on it and let's say the caliper wouldn't fit or whatnot, something you can do is wrap a piece of tape all the way around it. So you can see that's what I did when it came back around. I drew a line. It's actually a perfect match when it's on there right. I did this before, but anyway, then you just take your piece of tape off here. Now you can measure this, and this comes out to a circumference of 11. Now, all you do from here to find the diameter, because that's what we're looking for, is you divide the circumference, which is 11, by 3.14, which is pi. Once you do that, you come up with 3.5, and as if by magic, this is a 3.5 inch pulley. So anyway, hopefully that helps out if you have a question. Sometimes these Cobras and other cars have pulleys on them, and they're just blank. You have no idea what they are, and you need to know that obviously for your supercharger, and if you're going to a different size pulley for the alternator and idlers, all kinds of things. So anyway, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.